Welcome to another episode of Building Construction Buddies. Today, we're diving into site layout considerations, a fundamental yet often underestimated part of building construction. You might think it's just placing stuff on the site, right? Wrong. A well-thought-out layout can save you time, money, and plenty of headaches while keeping you on the right side of safety standards and regulations. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to design a site layout, but you'll know how to do it faster, smarter, and safer. Trust me, this is the kind of advice you'll wish you had on day one. When you first step onto a construction site, it's like looking at a blank canvas. But this canvas can quickly turn chaotic without a plan. The first priority? Site access and traffic flow. Think of it as designing a highway system for your site. The goal is to keep vehicles and equipment moving smoothly without bottlenecks. Don't block access points with material heaps or unnecessary vehicles. A pro tip? Use one-way traffic systems wherever possible. They reduce confusion and accidents, saving time and money. Now, let's talk about material storage areas. Here's the golden rule. Materials go where they're needed, not where they fit. Keeping rebar next to the welding station and drywall close to interior spaces reduces double handling, which eats up time and labor costs. A technical insight? Plan your storage layout with a bird's eye view map. It's like creating a treasure map for efficiency. Next up is a point many overlook: worker facilities. Your team needs clean washrooms, drinking water, and shaded rest areas. Why? Because comfortable workers are productive workers. It might seem like an added cost, but trust me, it's an investment. Pro tip: position facilities on higher ground to avoid muddy messes during rainy days. Safety should never take a back seat. Site safety measures are not optional. They're the backbone of any good layout. Place safety barriers and signs where risks are highest, near excavation zones, heavy equipment paths, and hazardous material storage. A hack? Use color-coded markers for safety zones. It's quicker for everyone to identify danger areas. On to utilities and services. Imagine pouring concrete only to realize the water line isn't in place. Disaster. Always plan utility routes early and keep them out of high-traffic areas. If possible, run utilities along the site's perimeter to minimize disruptions. Drainage and erosion control are critical, especially during the rainy season. Without it, you risk turning your site into a swamp. Plan your drainage systems in alignment with the site's natural slopes. A handy tip? Lay down geotextile fabric before creating drainage ditches. It prevents clogging and erosion. Temporary structures, like site offices, storage containers, and workshops, need careful placement. Keep them close to the action but out of heavy traffic zones. For better security, position them together in a fenced area. Bonus tip: elevate them slightly to avoid water damage during unexpected rains. Finally, don't forget the little details that make a big difference. Keep emergency exits clear and security measures tight. Allocate a secure, well-lit area for storing equipment and performing maintenance. And always leave a little extra space for future expansion as the project progresses. So there you have it, a solid, practical guide to site layout considerations that doesn't just follow the rules, it optimizes them. With these tips, you'll save time, cut costs, and keep safety at the forefront of every decision. Remember, a well-planned site is the foundation of every successful project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell, and check out our other videos for more pro-level construction advice.